I see. Nice.
Sure. I'm gonna put on the.
Welcome to the Velvet Box. My name is Christopher, and today I'm going to give them a briefing presentation regarding the oysters and pearls from the Sea of Cortez. But before starting the explanation, my friends, we have a welcome drinks. Anyone like something to drink? We have beer, water, and tequila. Never is too early. I'm paying for that in water, but it's free, so don't be shy. This tequila is almond tequila flavor, my friends. It's just a 30% alcohol. If you wanna try, let me know. It's like I'm a regular. Don't leave me alone, please. And we have Pacific beers, it's baby beer. You want one beer? But one of the main reasons why the explorers and adventurers came to this part of Mexico is exactly to look for this type of gems, okay? You will never find this type of gems anywhere else in the world because it is unique. In this country, we have the long presentation of pearls. We have pink pearl, blue pearl, yellow pearl. It's by the shell like this one. The name of this shell is Piteria externa. You can see the colors group is like a rainbow. Green, pink, purple, is really beautiful. The colors of the pearls, of these pearls, is by this shell, by the food too. The food is plankton and the minerals inside the ocean. But my friends, in the pearl farm, how to harvest a pearl, how to make a real cultivated pearl. I'm going to teach you how. First of all, we'll need to collect the baby oysters. For this, we need these sacks to simulate a coral. Now, these are baby oysters. We put the baby oysters 3 years in these protected baskets, okay? For level 3 years inside the ocean. When they grow up and reach this size, the kids will, the oyster is ready to proceed your surgical process. I mean, it's a grafting, for example. We open the oyster in 1 minute and we put the nucleus inside the oyster, my friends. The nucleus is piece of shell. Piece of shell is the same material of this, mother of pearl, pure. We cut it and we make it round. Now, in which we have to insert the small piece of the shell inside the oyster like this to cause a little irritation. So the oyster is a defense graph, the small piece of layers of the mother of pearl. Layers for layers of nacre. Nacre is calcium, but it's a liquid. To run the nucleus every day, every hour, every month. Now, we close the oyster and put them back into the sea in this right here. So my friends, 2 years later, we are finally able to harvest one of the biggest stones from the Sea of Cortez. People, for total this process, thank you sir, for total this process is 5 years to make a cultivated pearl. So basically, we force the oyster to have a pearl. Now, I'm gonna show you the surgical process. It's this. Actually, we manipulate this part, surgical process, but we don't manipulate color, shape, and size of the pearl. That is the thing in the oyster. And this is the nucleus, my friends. The nucleus is not a pearl. It's a piece of shell. Remember, it's the same material of things. We cut it and we make it round. So remember to cause a little irritation. The oyster always is a different grabs the small piece of layers of the mother of pearl. My friends, any questions about the pearl will be interesting in 5 years. Oysters die when they take out of the sea. Okay? So now my friends, the best part of this is one of you will take home a pearl. Let's do a raffle right now. It's okay? So the winner I will give a pearl. And one shot of tequila. Why not? Correcto? How many people is in this group? 10. 10. My friends, for the raffle, I need this winner ticket, boleto ganador, okay? It's only one winner, the rest of the people, we have the 35% discount around the store. So don't be sad, the rest of the people, everybody's a winner, correct? Yeah. 10 people, okay? My friends, close your fingers, good luck, and please, everybody take a piece of paper right here in the middle, okay? Come closer, don't be shy. Pick one and don't open it, please. Perfecto. My friends, the last paper always is a winner. Don't open it. Don't open it. Open it, please. Winner ticket, boleto ganador.
¿Usted la ganó?
No. What is this one?
Ganador means winner.
Him?
Congratulations.
Who's the winner? You, my friend?
Him.
Oh my
Sorry.
goodness. In this raffle, in this group, him is the winner. Congratulations. The rest of the people, thanks for participating. Everybody's a winner, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna open this video first, okay? Remember, 5 years in this process. The color of the pearl, I don't know. Remember, it's in the shell. It's like a mystery. Let's see, my friends. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a white pearl. This is for you, buddy. Look at this. This is a halter pearl. Gorgeous. Let me clean the pearl first with baking soda. This baking soda. Water. And the beautiful gem is ready. Look at this. Actually, we can put this beautiful pearl in necklace, bracelet, ring if you want. The rest of the people also, we have another beautiful international gemstones. We have tanzanite, tourmaline, malachite, morganite. Remember, everybody have a really good discount. But this is for you. And let me give you this beautiful plastic bag, okay? From those are the pearl. So my friends, thank you very much for your attention. You can take a walk around this country. We have time. Amigos míos, les pregunto esto que si ya desayunaron, ¿por qué? Porque tenemos bebidas de cortesía, tenemos agua, tenemos tequila, ¿qué les puedo ofrecer? El día de hoy. Amigos, ¿quieren una agüita, una cervecita? No, ¿Ustedes también? Correcto. Vamos a empezar, vamos a escuchar bien, amigos. Mucha gente no lo sabe, pero una de las principales razones por las que aventureros y exploradores de la época vinieron a esta parte de México fue precisamente por buscar este tipo de gemas, ya que son muy únicas en el Mar de Cortés. En el Mar de Cortés contamos con muchas variedades de perlas, miren, más que nada de colores, para que salgan así de distintos colores tan hermosos, tienen que importar de 13 millones de razones. Miren, amigos míos, la concha. El nombre de esta concha se llama Peter y Esther. Otros de estos amigos como por un acertado muy bonito. Segunda razón, la comida. ¿Quieres otra?
No, gracias.